If you love your partner, but you have lost all desire for intimacy and you are wondering what is wrong with you, I need you to hear something. There is nothing wrong with you. Your body is responding to something, and I can show you exactly what it is. Maybe you've tried the date nights, supplements, scheduling. Maybe you've just been told it's hormones or stress and live with it. But nothing has worked because no one has explained what is actually happening underneath. I'm Lauren Wolff, registered psychotherapist and sex therapist. I've spent over a decade helping women in long-term relationships understand why desire disappeared and how to bring it back without forcing anything. On this channel, I'll break down the real reasons desire fades, the blocks keeping you stuck, and what actually rebuilds intimacy. No shame, no gimmicks, just honest answers to the questions you've been afraid to ask. New videos every week. If you are ready to stop feeling distant and defeated and start understanding what your body has been trying to tell you, hit subscribe. I will see you in the videos below.